just before that.
Okay.
So you'll see when we
might have to yell at me a few times.
Oh yeah, you don't mind me talking a lot when I'm
No. Go ahead and comment on bad turn, good turn, more of this, more of that.
I'm just gonna point out those turn-in points and then you'll figure out how to brake to get there, okay? On the outlap, I generally just let people give space, you know?
Yeah.
Just space them out. I don't know if they're gonna go slow or go fast because there's no passing under yellow. And then we wait until, oh, they're gonna give us the green right now.
Okay.
So that's good. Mind the, don't touch it. See how he's touching the blend line? Don't do that. Don't even touch the yellow line. Yeah. A lot of people like to swing wide before this. Don't even touch it. There you go. All right. Now just feel everything out. Make sure the brakes are nice and comfy. You know, test the brakes. I always test it before this one. I kind of test the brakes here. Yep. You know, tires feel good. Start warming them up. Kind of get a feel for them. I generally don't start hitting it hard until corner 6 or corner 2 on the next lap. I want to turn in earlier there, so braking. Yep. That's always hard because you come in hot. You want to kiss this one, turn in early. Yep. Turn in before that. Your momentum will carry you around there, okay? Wait for the road. Now go. Keep it, hold it out there as long as you can. We'll make this track out easier, okay? All the way back, all the way back. About 3. Yep, brake now. Hold it for the grass. There's a crease right there. That one you turn in before the black traction compound. Touch the crease. Now go. The further wide you can get there in 6A, the better this is. I kind of drive around the rumbles. Brake in a straight line. Touch the rumbles, now go. Yep. Right in between the bump and the traction compound is where I turn in. Stay left. Okay, look at the grass, look at the grass. There's the crease, turn at the crease, yep.
Oh, there's the crease, okay.
You feel the bump after you turn?
Yeah.
But that was right, you're carrying just the right speed to turn just before the bump. You want to be off the brake by the time you turn. Now that corner 2, you do not want to lift mid-corner. You keep the throttle right where it is, okay?
Okay.
That was pretty good right there. Looking tight there like autocross, make it smooth. Brake hard, turn in early. Go. You want to get early brake, off the brake early. Okay, just touch it, turn early. Go. Yep. So next time, drive it wider there and then bring it back earlier. Wait for the road, now go. Yeah, don't hit the brake, just ease it in. Makes you nervous though, doesn't it? You build up to that. Brake early. Yeah, that's good. Wait for it, wait, now go. Try and brake smoothly, the same pressure the whole way. Over the crease, now go. Wait a little bit longer there, okay?
Okay.
See how we come out wider? We come out way under if you wait on the entry. Up on the rumble, now go. Did you see that black foam piece?
Yes.
That's somebody's neck brace that they lost. That's their turn-in point. What I've been doing is I've been braking, riding on the rumble, and just before I hit it, I turned. I thought I hit it a couple times, but apparently I didn't. Wait for it, look for the bump, now go. Yep. You can carry a little more speed through there, okay? Now go straight, ease it in. Yep, go ahead, go. Nice. Don't lift off the throttle, stay in it. Okay. You'd have been fine at that speed.
Okay.
You can scrub a lot of speed in that corner before you go back to the throttle. Okay, brake hard, all the way left. There you go, go. Get off the brake and turn it in. You got tons of grip there. Okay, touch the brake early, turn in early. Go. All the way out to the grass. Now wait for it. Now go. That's it. Now you gotta try and balance the throttles through there so you're not coming off the throttle, okay? Wait for it, now go. Yep, get off the brake early, chuck it in. Out, now go. That one you almost have to straighten the steering wheel out to bring it wide, okay? Doing good. Okay, brake hard, on the rumble, on the free. Oh, missed it, that's okay.